Enabling our night mode is a layer of software powered by exceptional hardware. Software such as raw level noise reduction and hardware such as 1.6 micron superpixel NOIS offer excellent low light performance. Let me show you what these can achieve. That was incredible. And Mi 11 really is movie magic in low light. But what if there's almost no light? To show you just how effective ultra night mode is, let me bring out Daniel. Daniel?
Thank you, Xiao. Now, as he said, Mi 11 offers incredible low light performance. We've achieved this through a variety of hardware and software optimizations. It's a bit bright in here, isn't it? This is an area where a great number of competitor smartphones fail to perform, low light conditions. But say it gets even darker in here. Now, this isn't going to just lead to subpar video. It's going to mean lost moments and lost memories, especially in extremely low light conditions. Now, it's dark in here. But as you can see, Mi 11 performs incredibly well, adding visibility where there would have been none. Ultra night video is a massive leap forward. Mi 11 outperforms many other flagships in any lighting condition.